Genuinely is, I don't know how you can describe in like words, but it's a very सुकून वाला feeling है वो कि so बहुत अच्छी feeling है and she's a lovely human being जिन तो मुझे बड़ा I don't know how to say it, but it's fun living life with her, exploring life with her. I was not much of a traveler, but जब से वो life में आई है तो travel भी बहुत कर रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा अरे यार ये तो life में कभी जिया ही नहीं था, so वो भी अच्छा है. तो there's a lot of new things you get to share about each other, so it's beautiful.
I think, yeah, marriage is a big change in anyone's life. You're now sharing your life with a person and you're living together, and it's been really beautiful. Of course, he's been, touch wood, he's been away a lot on shoots, as have I. So I think that's always the thing with any two actors who are in this profession where there's constant travel. You do get less time together. But he is beyond saying too much about the film. He's just a very wonderful person, and I think it's nice to have a person like that in my life.
Yeah. How did Katrina react to the trailer?
She liked it.
Yeah.
She liked it. She found me cute. She prefers me with a beard though. But but she found me cute. She found the trailer very endearing, and she's looking forward to watch the film.
Yeah, you married it's again a very typical Indian setup. Did she like find it difficult to get adjusted in the family, and did you handhold her?
No, I don't think so. I don't think it was like difficult or like challenging. It was quite seamless, and she's been like she's been meeting my family before even we got married. So it was there was no like a shift, like a really radical shift, but it happened quite seamlessly in that sense.
Please do a film together, no?
Please cast us, please direct, please produce a film, and we'll do it together.
No, I'm really asking. Haven't you been offered a film?
No, of
together?
course. But see, the thing is, us being together and us being a couple shouldn't be the reason that we are cast in the film together. We should organically be perfect for those roles written in the film. It should be organic, and that's how it benefits the film also. And it shouldn't just be done because there's a curiosity around it. So hopefully soon. We are also excited for that to happen. But let's see.
Endearing is, I think, his joy for dancing and singing, like the honest, pure music. Joy, and for just music in general. The joy he has when he dances is, I think, just one of the most beautiful things to see, and the joy he has for singing. And he's a good singer. And many times when I can't sleep, I always ask him, "Can you please sing me a song?"
That's so sweet. And what about annoying habit?
Annoying habit. Sometimes he can be stubborn.
मेजर चेंजेस ये है कि शेव करने से पहले मुझे 10 बार सोचना पड़ता है बिकॉज शी हेट्स इट. मेजर चेंजेस ये है कि पहले आई वाज अ गुड लिसनर, बट नाउ आई हैव बिकम लाइक एन अनबीटेबल लिसनर. मुझे कोई बीट ही नहीं कर सकता. मैं इतनी बातें सुन सकता हूँ बिकॉज शी लव्स टू टॉक एंड आई लव टू हियर हर टॉक. So, but I don't know. I feel like jokes apart, यार बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. छोटी बातें होती हैं, but like because when you have a companion, when you have your life partner with you, you realize that it's no more just you can't see life just कि मुझे क्या चाहिए या मेरे हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए. It's हमेशा हमें क्या चाहिए और हमारे हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए. तो वो एक this thought has seeped in over these 2 years कि हाँ यार it's that कि it's just कि मेरा schedule क्या है और it's वो individuality से ज़्यादा, of course your individuality is there, but उससे ज़्यादा when you're thinking about something, when you're reacting to something, it's always about what's better for us rather than what's better for me.